All right, so special thanks to this company who sent us their multi-purpose appliance holder. As you can kind of see from the photo there, it's made to hold all of your hair products. On the side here, you got a few photos of the product. Same here. And then here it says it fits most hair dryers. It's heat resistant material, holds up to 3 hot tools, innovative cord organizer, and tabletop and wall mount. Just the company name here. Again, thanks to them for sending it to us. Let's open it on up and take a look at it. So instruction manual right on top, giving you an idea of exactly how everything works and what all comes with this. So we have some double-sided tape here to either mount it to the wall, or of course there's holes in this so you could actually screw this into the wall. And this looks like one of the wall mounts. This is part of the cable organizers. The other part of the cable organizers, these are able to pop right on, and then with both of these on, you can wrap the cable around to keep the cable nice and neat. And then last but not least is the full product. That's it for the box. So take this on out of the plastic here. And so you can see, you'd be able to fit you a straightener, etc. all down in here. There is the screws for mounting it hidden down in the bottom with anchors as well. But of course your hair dryer could go right in here, and then the cable can come out, and either whether you mount it this way or you mount it this way, you would have these on there to hold the cables. But a very nice design. It feels really good. It don't feel like cheap plastic, feels like some nice quality plastic. And you could have up to 4 items in here: your hair dryer, your straightener, and whatever else you would need outside of a hair dryer and a straightener. So special thanks again to this company for sending this to us so we could unbox it and show it to you. And thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.